kayo, wala si Speaker, wala si Congressman Saldico sa anumang pagtitipon?
Madam Chair, in all the meetings that transpired, none of the presence of Congressman Saldico and Speaker Romualdez was there. They were not there.
You said you never met the Speaker, nor Mr. Saldico, our congressman. You're under oath, sir.
Yes, that was the time that I met with the
Sasabi
Speaker.
mo lang na hindi naman kayo nagkita. Sabi nyo sina Congressman Garbin lang.
Yeah, because you know, it slipped my mind. Madam Senator.
Is
The help of the
Speaker Martin
Speaker
Romualdez supporting your
to
group?
help us
Mrs.
in the signature campaign. Yes.
Okay, so it's very clear that Speaker Martin Romualdez is supporting your group po. He is all out behind the People's Initiative. Is that correct?
Yes, we coordinate with the Speaker and the
Thank you very
Congressman
much,
in
and I'll,
getting the
give
3%
it back
per
to-
congressional district. That's correct, Madam Senator.
Thank you very much. And that's in fact you in the picture, that's correct?
You confirm that it's
You confirm that this is you in the picture?
yes.
And you also confirm that it's Speaker Romualdez in the picture?
Yes.
And it is Congressman Saldico in the picture?
Yes, yeah.
Saan lugar to? Kaninong lugar? Ipaliwanag. Wala namang masama magtipon-tipon sa bahay ng Miss Kishino.
Ano ho yan? Dalawang townhouse.
Hindi, kanino
na,
po?
Na
Kaninong lugar?
pinagdikit.
Inyo? Bahay mo? Bahay mo po?
It's a meeting
Attorney
place.
Abisado, please.
It's our meeting place.
No, pero sino may-ari?
Sino ang
Sino may-ari ng bahay?
si Speaker Romualdez po?
Bahay ni Speaker Romualdez.
Yes.
Ganon. So, ang naging host
doon
at
po kami
nagkumbida ay si Speaker Romualdez. Tama po
Ako
ba?
po ang nagkumbida. Dapat
Paano
po
ka
sa-
magkukumbida? Di mo bahay.
Oo nga.
Sigurado kayo wala si Speaker, wala si Congressman Saldico sa anumang pagtitipon?
Madam Chair, in all the meetings that transpired, none of the presence of Congressman Saldico and Speaker Romualdez was there. They were not there.